Hello guys, good day. My name is Chris, and this is ENC Flip YouTube channel. Um, Here's my channel. If you're new to my channel, I can like, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Excuse me. There you go, and that's me. And I just started filming YouTube videos and try to help other resellers. I have some experience. I tried to share my knowledge a little bit, just what I know. All right. And yeah, if you have any question, please do comment. And I have a contact information if you want to chat with me or yeah, if you have any questions. All right. So today our topic is about multi-user channel on eBay. Right. So this will gonna help you if you have virtual assistant. Okay. So I have a virtual assistant, one virtual assistant um, for my digital marketing, but now I'm trying to transition her into eBay listing, right? So even though I'm sleeping, so what I'm gonna do is I just create a draft. Actually, so I take a picture and she has some experience already. I create a draft. There you go. So I created a draft. Selling, so listing and draft. So I created the draft. So here is she needs to list. Okay. So yep, this is what she gonna list. And yeah. So how you can give an access to your VA without accessing everything like the sold listing or your uh financial in eBay, or how to limit their access in your account. So what you're gonna do is go here in eBay, click my eBay and account settings, and you go to permission here, permission, and here you go. This is just only a trial, so let's go. So you're just gonna select what do you want her to do. Okay, so create and edit draft, publish and revise listing, research product using Therapy, view orders, download order report, add shipping tracking. Mostly, I just suggest is this two. Okay, create and edit draft, publish and revise listing. That's it. Because they will not gonna do the orders anyway. You are the one who's gonna do your orders. You're the one who will ship it. All right. So yes, I think that's the most important is that we're gonna create a draft, or if you train them already, they can publish, right? So what I suggest, if oh by the way, there's just a take note. If your VAs in the Philippines, make sure they use the ebay.com, not ebay.com.ph. Take a note of that because I I tried to I tried sending invitation to Fritz, and she signed up on ebay.com.ph, and I talked to eBay also and eBay representative, and they said that it needs to be in the US. So make sure when they sign up, um, let them sign up because they were gonna create account when you send the invitation. They need to create an account. Then yes, they need to sign up in ebay.com, not ebay.com.ph or whatever is the country. Okay, It should be ab.com or ab.com.ca if Canada. All right. So just a quick reminder. And here you go. Add user. Invitation cannot be sent to the account of this domicile. Same thing when she access to list. It's the same thing. So we're gonna go to permission. On permission, so we're just gonna do I like to, right? Because this one is expired already. So you just click I like to, then go to the listing, then she can create and publish listing in there. Okay. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this helps you. And if you have any question, let me know. All right. Have a good day and stay safe.